Hello. It's fall. It's gorgeous. Dark night of the soul. Really hard. But I come out the other side feeling great. So much movement, so much amazing things that I had to move, had to get over, had to push through, break away from, to become more of myself. Is it hard? Yeah, very. Was it worth it? Absolutely. All I can say is anybody who's given me hard times, that brought me to hard times, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for trying to break me. You haven't. You never can. You never will. I am way too strong for that, and thank you so much for making me that much stronger. I am way more stronger now. And I love more now. I see more now. Everything is so much more clear. And I love everything and everyone. And I hope you know that every trial you go through, it's going to be worth it. You're going to find so much more of yourself. You're going to grow so much more. Everything's going to feel so much better when you come out on the other side. Riding horses helps a lot too. But that's another story. And I want to thank you guys. Thank you so much. And be yourself. Be you. Your authentic you. As I do love all of you. Each and every one of you. Thank you.